Yeah, so I want to show you guys how I get my wheels to look from this dirty to this clean, without doing a lot of work and also without spending a lot of money. I tried to use a regular cleaner. It did not work. And so I go to a different formula I know will work. And I'm going to show you guys what I use and how I did it and the result when I was finished. You just take them off a little, but not much. The grease I have here is finished, so I'm gonna go to some a formula that I think I know would probably work. Everybody know that diesel or gas oil will remove grease and residue, so I'm gonna try that, and then I'm gonna use something to actually clean the wheels with, like a brush. So I'm gonna just put some degrease, some of the diesel inside of this bottle right here. I already have it soak for a while. I'm gonna use this brush. Probably I'm gonna have to go over this one more than once. I'm gonna spray it and get it a little bit more lubricated. As you can see, that is all the thing coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna use the pressure washer now. So that is what it looks like now, compared to what it was before. That's a whole lot of difference. So I'm gonna use a smaller brush for the outside of the rim so they can get down into these little crevices.